Marshell Electric Vehicle Company Limited was founded in 2002 with a total investment of more than 500 million yuan. Marshell has several China production factories in Zhaoqing, Shanghai, Anhui, and Jiangsu area, in Shenzhen and Singapore. Marshell has sales and marketing centers. Marshell occupies more than 333,000 square meters and has more than 1,600 employees. Marshell has 11 series of electric vehicles, such as electric sanitation vehicle, electric resort car, electric golf cart, electric patrol vehicle, electric fire vehicle, electric utility vehicle, electric forklift, electric cleaning vehicle, and so on. There are also another 100 models of off-road electric vehicle and equipment. In the era of knowledge economy, science and technology constitute a primary productive force. Marshell follows independent development routine and possesses key technology in the electric vehicle industry. With assistance of Shenzhen University, Tianjin University, and Harbin Institute of Technology, under the guidance of American D&P Company and experts from China and abroad, Marshell established Department of Tooling Mold, Manufacturing, Electronics R&D, and Electric Vehicle R&D. There are more than 100 experienced engineers working in R&D departments.